Hey kids, let me teach you today how you can spin your sprite in scratch.mit.edu. This is the Scratch interface of the MIT site. As you can see, scratch.mit.edu is written. So click on sign in, write your password and username. So this is my username and I'm not sharing my password with you. So you write your password and username, click sign in. Once done, this is your home page. Now you can click on create to create a new project, or if you would want your character of the previous project or any project if you had done, you can click on this my stuff over here, and here you will see the project that you have created. So I am going to click on see inside, and it opens your previous project. So as you can see, there is no name written. So I am going to name it as spin your sprite. Okay. Now this is the name I want to give to my project. And here is the sprite and I want to rotate it. So from the motions block, you have to pick up turn 15 degrees. And then you can check what is happening over here right now. Oh, it is moving. Okay, but we want it to spin completely. So from the controls menu, you have to choose repeat block and add it over here. Now check what is happening. In case you want your sprite, now this is moving half its way. Okay, you want to rotate it multiple times. So increase the count over here or make it 30, and now you check what is happening. Now if you want your sprite to come back to its original position, you can check from here the direction. When you click, a clock kind of thing will appear and you can move it back to its original position like this. Okay, and then click somewhere else. Now check again. Yay, it is spinning. You can increase or decrease the count as per the rotations that you want. Suppose, for example, if I put only 25, then I can check the rotation also. Again, go to the direction, bring it back to its original direction by moving this clock, and now check your code. So, this works for me. So again, if you won't be like creating this multiple times, so you can go to the event block and then you can choose any of the event triggering blocks from here. For example, when this sprite click, this also you can use when flag click, or you can use any key when pressed, something like this, when space is pressed. So click the space bar key, your sprite will move. Likewise, you can create the code.